I think the legacy for T.A. Brown, number one, is understanding who the man was. Mr. Brown was an educator in Austin for many, many years. He was revered as one of the pioneers of education in the city of Austin. And this building now becomes a testament to him and what he provided that school district. It's a legacy for us because, number one, we get to design his legacy and keep his story going. But it's also important to us as a legacy type project because of the educational elements and the components that we're going to be putting into this facility. You know, the green schoolyards concept of outdoor learning, the LEED components, the green components, being able to help the school district of Austin ISD, being able to help them fulfill on their vision to create this brand new learning environment that they can then showcase throughout the rest of the United States, is to say, hey, look what we're doing here in Austin. Look how we're transforming education. And then not only are we talking about it, we're actually doing it. And being able to say, this is how we're doing it and be a part of that story. It's really cool.